feels as though the market sentiment towards oil is turning increasingly bearish. What would you say is the consensus view amongst the analyst community out there right now?
Glut. I think that's the big story that people are contending with, not just as we move into the fourth quarter, but as Goldman Sachs is saying, we'll see as we move into next year. The big issue really, Yomana, is that, we've seen OPEC bring back so many barrels. The 2.5 million barrels a day that they fast-tracked, all of that has already been returned, and, eyes are looking at what they're going to do this weekend. In addition to that, as you pointed out, Goldman Sachs, traditionally very bullish on oil. In this particular case, seeing things much more bearish moving into the end of next year, and low 50s. Now, that's a figure.
Yeah, well, we've got another OPEC Plus virtual meeting coming up this weekend, and obviously they finished the first round. They've completed the first round of putting back the voluntary cuts back to the market. Attention's going to turn to that second clip, the 1.66 million barrels per day. What is the expectation?
So I like to look at where we are today, and I would say that Brent is falling after plummeting a fair bit yesterday. There were news reports yesterday saying that OPEC would bring some of the second tranche we've talked about, the 1.66 million, a part of that, not all of it, back. Bloomberg has since, of course, checked with our sourcing, and actually what we are still hearing is that OPEC is still playing its cards very close to its chest. So all options still remain on the table, and it's not just, it's not guaranteed they will restore supply. Maintaining current levels remains on the table as well. And so the question remains open as we move into the end of the weekend, heading into the weekend meeting this Sunday.